Calling a taxi. Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, please. I need a taxi.
No problem for right now.
Yes, as soon as possible.
Where are you going?
To Grand Central Station.
Do you have a train to catch?
Yes, at 10 o'clock.
It's 8:45 now. You have time, but there's a lot of traffic today.
Oh no. Will I still make it?
Yes, if the taxi comes soon, I'll call right away.
Thank you so much.
You're in room 203, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, one big suitcase and a backpack.
Okay, I'll order a large taxi.
Super. Thank you.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I'm going to Chicago to visit my family.
How nice. The taxi will be here in 10 to 15 minutes.
Perfect. Can I wait in the lobby?
Of course. Make yourself comfortable.
Thanks. Is there a coffee machine here?
Yes, to the left of the elevator.
Great. I need one now.
Coffee and travel always go together.
True. Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, I'll tell the driver.
Great. Thanks for everything.
My pleasure. The taxi is already here.
Really? That was fast.
It's waiting outside in front of the hotel.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a good trip and a nice day.
Thanks. You too. Advice at the pharmacy.
Excuse me, can I ask you a question? I'm looking for some cold medicine.
Of course. I'm the pharmacist. I can help. What are your symptoms?
I have a bad headache and a runny nose.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have a fever?
No, I checked my temperature this morning. I don't have a fever.
Okay. And do you need to work or drive today?
Yes, I have to work this afternoon. I can't take anything that will make me sleepy.
I understand. You need a non-drowsy formula. Let me see. This medicine right here is very good for daytime use. It helps with headaches and runny noses.
And it won't make me tired.
That's right. It's made specifically for daytime. So you can get on with your day.
That sounds perfect. How many pills should I take?
The directions say to take 2 pills with a glass of water.
Okay, and how often?
You can take it every 6 hours. But don't take more than 6 pills in one day.
Every 6 hours. I'll be careful. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Also, be sure to drink plenty of fluids like water or tea.
I will. I really appreciate your advice. I was at sea with all these options.
It's my pleasure. I hope you start to feel better soon.
Me too. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Take care. Buying a drink.
Excuse me, do you sell drinks?
Hi, miss. Yes, of course.
It's really hot today. I'm so thirsty.
Want something cold?
Yes, please. What do you have?
I have water, orange juice, iced tea, and soda.
Is the water cold?
Yes, it's in the fridge. Small bottles?
And the orange juice, is it fresh?
Yes. Pressed this morning.
Sounds nice. How much is it?
Water is $1. Orange juice is $2.50.
I'll take the orange juice then.
Great choice. With ice or no ice?
With ice, please.
Here you go. Nice and cold.
Thanks. Do you have a straw?
Yes, sure. Here's a paper straw.
Perfect. Are you here every day?
Yes, except when it rains.
Do you get many customers?
Yes, mostly between 3 and 5 p.m.
I'm not surprised. It's so hot.
Yes, people always want a drink or some ice cream.
Oh, you have ice cream too?
Yes, but it goes fast.
I'll come back later then.
Good idea. And here's your change.
Thank you.
Do you come to this beach a lot?
No, it's my first time. I'm on vacation.
Welcome then.
Thanks. It's very pretty here.
Yes, and the water is clean today.
I'll swim after my drink.
Watch out for the sun. It's strong.
Yes, I put on sunscreen.
Good. Enjoy the sun in your juice.
Thanks a lot. Maybe see you later.
You're welcome. See you.
Looking for a spot on the beach. Hi, excuse me. Is this spot free? Hi, yes, sure. Have a seat? Thanks a lot. So many people today.
Yeah, it's Sunday, and the weather is great.
Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every weekend.
It's my first time here.
Are you on vacation?
Yes, I'm spending a week in Miami.
Welcome then. Do you like the ocean?
Yes, a lot. Is the water warm today?
Not really, but it feels nice.
Great, I may swim later.
Did you come alone?
Yes, my friends are coming later.
Do you have sunscreen? The sun is strong.
Yes, of course. I always use it.
Good. I forgot mine this morning.
Oh, no, do you want some?
That's kind of you. Thanks. Just a little for my face.
Here you go.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Will you stay long?
Just for the afternoon. And you?
Me too, after I'll get some ice cream on the boardwalk.
Good idea. Is there a good ice cream shop?
Yes, right next to the pier.
I may go there too.
What flavors do you like?
Strawberry and lemon. And you?
Me, chocolate, always.
Classic, but good.
Do you want some water? I have a cold bottle.
Thanks. That's nice. But I have mine too.
All right, thanks again for the spot.
You're welcome. Have a good afternoon.
Thanks, you too.